Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today Mojang released Snapshot 22W05A. I'll be showing you the most important tweaks and changes in this video, so if you want to find out what's new in the snapshot, just keep on watching. Since Mojang is currently working on some larger changes that aren't quite ready yet, there's only been one world generation change made. The change is that the rearranged Badlands biome layouts have been reverted to avoid causing generation changes and chunk borders. As you can see in an earlier snapshot, the chunk borders would generate incorrectly and look quite messy. However, in this snapshot, the Badlands biome generates a lot more smoothly. This snapshot has introduced quite a few bug fixes into the game. Firstly, the issue of pointed dripstone replacing blocks when generating has now been fixed. In previous versions, when dripstone generated in caves, it would sometimes delete the block below and go through it, but that no longer happens in the snapshot. Another prominent issue in previous versions was how foxes would lay down in powder snow, but when they started to take damage, they wouldn't attempt to escape. Luckily, that issue has been fixed in this snapshot, and foxes now wake up and act accordingly. When creating a cave or a single biome world, the biomes were displayed in alphabetical order in English, but if you switched to another language, they wouldn't be ordered alphabetically. This made it hard for players to find their desired biome on the list, but fortunately, the issue was resolved and now it's ordered correctly. In previous snapshots, whenever a player went above level 320Y or below level -65Y, if you toggled F5 mode, the player model would disappear. That issue has been resolved in the snapshot though. As you can see, the model is now visible. Lastly, a bug that has been reoccurring in Minecraft for 8 years is the issue of water looking like it's flowing upwards. One of the many examples of this happening is if you have a similar setup to this one on the screen. When you place water on the diamond block and let it flow, you'll see that below the black stained glass, it appears as if it's moving upwards. Thankfully, the bug has been fixed and it's no longer present in the recent snapshot. Those are all the important changes that have been made to Minecraft in the snapshot. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more from our channel, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget though, if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to test out this snapshot with your friends, you should head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching!